What's up, y'all? What's going on? What's good? What's good? What's good with you? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today, what I'm gonna do is show y'all. Well, today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all about this product that I got called Shine Armor. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna shine up this car right now. I see my Camaro. It's a little dirty and everything, right? It's a little dirty. It needs to be cleaned up. You know, it's been raining a lot here in Georgia. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this to my car. As you can see right now, it needs to be. I'm gonna wash it first. All right, guys. So I got the car washed up. Just a little quick wipe down. So now we're gonna apply the Shine Armor. I'm gonna do it for half of the hood first, so y'all can see the difference. Probably do this side first, and then I'll do that side, so you guys can see the difference. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna open the bottle, and let's just read the instructions. What? Let's just read the instructions. Okay. It says spray Shine Armor graphite ceramic on spray onto the towel, the microfiber towel, and then wipe the product onto the paint, allowing the surface to be fully covered. Allow the product to sit for 1 to 2 minutes and buff to a high shine with the fiber towel. Allow 4 hours to cure before exposure to elements. Now, if the elements is heat, then I mean, it kind of is what it is, because I don't have anywhere else to put it right now. My garage is kind of packed with just moves and everything, so I'm just gonna apply it and see what happens. All right, let's go. All right, guys, got the spray. Got my came with a microfiber towel, so I'm gonna spray it on here. Spray enough on there. Okay.
Oh my God, look at that guy. Looks like he hasn't worked out in a year.
Selfless.
I did about 10 sprays. Let's wash it and see what does. Buffing pads might make it a little bit easier. You don't have to do it by hand. The hood. I didn't get up here a little bit. I could have buffed a little bit better out here. But if you can see that reflection there versus that reflection over there, side view. All right, guys, I let this set for a few hours. I actually went and took a nap. This is hot, but this is the side I waxed over here. You can see that even better. You see that reflection in that trailer over there? This is the side I didn't do anything. All right, here and there. There you go. All right, one more test that I'm gonna show on this Shine Armor. It is the time difference between the water drying or bubbling. Let's just see. All right, so this is the side I did not do. Just pour a little bit of water on here. And this is the side I did buff with Shine Armor. Again, right here. And right here. residue left on the side I didn't do. And the residue left on the side I did do. And I actually think I poured a good amount more on this side versus this side. All right, so you guys can judge for yourselves. I think it still came out pretty good. The hood looks good. I'll probably go ahead and shine the rest of the car up. But it's gonna take a while for me to do all that. I need a buffer. All right, guys, so if you like that product, make sure you click the link in the description below. And when you go to order, put Boostin as your discount code to get a 10% discount, all right? So I think it turned out pretty great. I'm gonna probably do the whole car early tomorrow morning when it's nice and cool out. It's starting to rain. It ain't raining right now, but the clouds getting a little dark, so I ain't gonna do it right now. But also, the coating that we put on this, it should give it an extra layer of protection, so when it gets dirty again, that dirt will come off more easily. So make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys check out that link down below and use that discount code Boostin to get 10% off. All right, we'll see you next time as we decide what we're gonna do with this. It'd be really cool to do a ground up build. It'd be really cool to get a sponsor on this too. And check us out. We're gonna have Lucille. Lucille is gonna be at Battle of the Beach, no prep race, September 3rd. I'm gonna have her out there. I need to find a track somewhere in Georgia to go test a no prep testing. So let me know what track y'all know around Georgia that's doing no prep, because I need to get some test hits on this before September 3rd. Just to get it ready to make sure it's all good to go. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Gonna start. I edited it. Calvin, let's say what's up. What's up? What's up? What's up? You got this 68 or 69. 69. You need a battery charger?
I'm gonna need it.
It's clean. One day it might be an LS swap.
I'm gonna need it.
About to roll out? About to take it over there? Even dusty, it looks good.
Right? That purple color is impressive.
Let's see.